It's the time for the package from China. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are back with a new Trunks video. But this is going to be like the Dragon Ball Super or Super Saiyan Trunks. But this is like a different one. This is the bootleg. And yeah, nowadays we do have like a lot of bootlegs on the market. Some are bad, some are good, but the question remains, how good is this one? And that's the reason I wanted to pick it up. I'm a big fan of Trunks, especially the future one. I think it's pretty damn cool with a sword. So let me know in the comments what is your favorite Dragon Ball figure or Dragon Ball character in general. But let's do a quick unboxing together. Okay, so let's take a closer look in the inside. I'm curious if this thing is new or used. I did buy a big collection of somebody else's and a lot of like new products, but also came with a lot of new products. So let's see what we're going to get inside the bubble wrap. We're going to get ourselves what I can DIY. Oh, no. Previous owner was naughty. He already like displayed it. Okay, what the hell happened to my sword? Oh man. We're going to get the situation that my sword's going to be completely like destroyed or what? Okay, the thing I wanted to do now is smell it. Okay, so it doesn't smell chemical. The reason why, because sometimes you will have like these really chemical things. Okay, it's very soft material, and you know, like this is something that is like common. I have seen it before, that we have like a different kind of plastic, and these plastics are not the best, or they're just very soft. So let's see if we can basically put it together. Alright, so I think it was in the do of the plastic. The only thing I can do up is like heat it up a little bit and try to put it in a certain form. And like maybe put something on it and like heat it up. But you know, like that are things that really annoyed me. I'm thinking like, why are you basically like doing it like this, like summoning a bootleg version with like a weird looking sword. Let's see, I need to put it on those feet, or so like the question how we need to freaking assemble these things. Oh boy, this is going to be a nightmare. Okay, so when it comes to the bootlegs, and especially when you're going to do it side by side with the original ones, you will see a lot of differences. But let's take a close look at it like as it is. How is the paint job, or how good or how bad is it? So the hair itself is made out of weird like colors, like this is a metallic look. I do like it, but it does like have this weird like light Super Saiyan color to it. It's kind of weird. But personal, I really like the color, to be honest. Like it looks very nice. And you can see like at the back when we're going to turn it around, it doesn't look that bad either. Like most of the time they mess it up with the hair. With this figure it looks very nice. You can see like the mold lines on this figure. Take consideration, I'm basically zooming in with my camera, so now it's really like really noticeable. But normally when you're going to display it, that is not the case over here. But then overall, when you're looking at his skin, you can see like some mispaints or something like that, but it's only noticeable when you're having it up close. But the overall quality, his sword holder, stuff like that, doesn't look that shabby. So, and overall, like they did an amazing job with the paint job. So I must say, like beside like this weird like plastic sword, I must say they did a great job. So let's take a close look at the face. Alright, so let's do a crazy zoom in into the face itself, and let's see if they mess anything up. But so far I can see the face itself and expression looks very nice, and the paint job on it is very good. That is another thing they also like intend to mess up. Okay, so his pants itself also looks very nice. They went for a different approach that we've seen before. It's more like this glossy paint they're using on this. When you're looking at the sword from this angle, it looks kind of weird because it's all bent. Something I need to figure out, like how I can put it in this certain position. Maybe the thing I can do is like attach something to it. Maybe like a toothpick you can tape together to it. And basically like heat it up into the point. I'm hoping that it's going to get in the good position. But again, yeah, this is the stuff that you're going to see with bootlegs. But okay guys, when you're looking at the Trunks Super Saiyan from the future, I think it's a pretty damn cool figure. It will be positioned in a very cool spot in the collection. If I can fix the sword, and maybe in the future if I can find an original one, we can do a side-by-side comparison, because those are really fun to make, because there you can see like what they changed out, because the bootlegs are not like one-on-one copies, they are mostly like, let's say, different, like different sizes, or sometimes like completely different paint job. Thanks for watching, consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become the Wicked family, and it would be great to see you in the next video.